Alright, so good afternoon, daydreamers. It's a very late start to the day, but we're heading to Universal Studios Hollywood right now just to enjoy the Sunday. It's finally sweater weather, thank goodness. But we're gonna try to spend as much time checking out like Animal Actors, the Production Central, and the special effects stage, because as of January 8th of 2023, that's like the last day that they'll be open, because there's rumors that there's going to be a new ride, and some are speculating it is a Fast and the Furious ride.
It better not be.
I hope it's not.
It better not be.
But anyways, so last day for the Animal Actors, the Production Central store, and special effects stage is January 8th. So we're going to take from now, which is like November the 13th, until then, to really enjoy those moments and just like cherish it. Like, I miss old Universal. I am excited for new things, but I don't know if I'm excited about that unless they change it, but we'll see. But anyways, I'll take you along on our adventure, then we'll see you once we're inside. Bye. So yeah, so they're getting ready for the holidays in Grinchmas, which starts November 25th. But decorations are definitely coming out and about. And then you can see the Grinchmas area. They're setting up, they have the tree. I love the holidays. So Animal Actors is here. Then you have the Production Central right here. And then the special effects show is just right there. So this whole area is going to be closed off starting January 8th. And that's where the rumored new ride will be.
How you guys doing? You having a good time so far? Yeah, hey, we should be feeling fantastic. It's not every day we get to make our way into the working production studio sound stages so that we can film more. We're also expanding in the theme park. So come early 2023, we're gonna have Super Nintendo World. So check out our social media. First week on the job, but he's doing a pretty good job so far. Yeah, you're right. We're gonna have to get him in the boat. Okay, George, buddy. George, yeah, George, get in the boat. George, get in the boat, bud. George. Oh man, I feel so bad. That's terrible. It was the dude's first week on the job, but that means that there's a job position available if somebody wants to be a scuba diver down here at Amity Island. You just talk to Joey after the tour, all right? All right, well, thanks for having our back and hiding us out behind this dock. Nothing to fear here. Doing the backstroke. Look at him while he dances doing his thing. There we go, Bruce. You do your thing. You bring it on back now. That's right. All right, everybody. On the count of three, we're going to turn around. We're going to say, hello, Bruce. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello, Bruce. Here we go, all right? Well, let me tell you something. I have a good feeling like we're having the time of our lives. That's right. There he is. See that shark? Watch that thing doing its thing. That's the dancing queen. Bruce, our mechanical shark. Everybody. Thanks for getting us out of that situation, Gerald. Dude's a psychopath. He's got a knife every time we drive by. So that we can head into another situation called the crash site from War of the Worlds.
Here's just like general like nostalgic, either Back to the Future ET, Universal Monsters, or just Universal Hollywood stuff. They got Bates Motel. So yeah, in the store, the Nintendo store, looking around, but we'll come back and probably explore more since they added like some new stuff. Getting ready for next year when they open Super Nintendo World. But these they look kind of like the ones from Tokyo that I've seen, but they look so cute.
See how I look with this.
But anyways, but yeah, so the main objective was just looking at the Production Central store, seeing animal actors and the special effects show, because like as I said, January 8th is the last day before it's gone forever. But yeah, starting to get cooler. As I said, seeing all the decorations that are starting to come up, getting ready for holidays, which is November 25th. And yeah, just gonna go probably walk around City Walk for now. But as always, I can't wait to see you in the next adventure. Bye, Daydreamers.